Okay, solving for r. So I'm going to leave the left side kind of untouched. There's not any parentheses or anything to simplify. But the right side, I can distribute this -5 through to both those terms. So -5 times 2 is -10. And -5 times 8r is -40r plus 6r. I'm going to move anything with an r to the left, anything without an r to the right. So I'm going to do plus 40r minus 6r. On the right side, plus 40r minus 6r. On the left side to balance things out, that cancels. That cancels. Amazing. We have r plus 40r minus 6r is 41r minus 6r is 35r's plus 25 still. Let's not forget about that. Equals -10. Well, let's bring the constants to the right. Minus 25, minus 25. When I say bring it to the right, I mean cancel it on the left. Just another kind of fast phrase for that. 35r equals -35. Oh, that's going to be nice. Divide by 35 on both sides. Let me do that in orange for consistency here. Divide by 35 on both sides. -35 divided by +35. It goes in one time, but actually -1 time. And r is -1. And you should be able to take that -1 and plug it in and double check that if I plug in -1 for r, that left side equals right. That's a way to absolutely know you're correct, and you can move on to the next.